Hi, this is Sandra from Greyd, and today I want to show you the various possibilities that are offered to you by our Popover plug, which exists in various variations. And you can use it, for example, to create inline pop-ups, to create drop-down menus, or also burger and off-canvas overlay menus. So lots of possibilities, and how it works is what I'm going to show you in this video. So as I already said, we have several variations of our Popover plug. What they all have in common that you can first decide for which screen sizes you want it to be visible. That way, for example, when used in the header template, you can create burger menus that are only visible for mobile screens. And in general, the Popover plug always consists of two parts. The first is the button or burger, which you can select here, and the second is the pop-up, overlay, off-canvas, or drop-down. Let's start with the options for the Popover button. If you select button here, you will find the regular styling and setting options of Greyd buttons, and if you switch to burger, you can then switch between different burger styles. Here it is, between different burger styles and also shapes. You can make some color adjustments for the burger and its background if you need to, also with hover effect and individual per breakpoint. There are some settings for size, border radius, line weight, spaces, etc. So you can style the burger individually. We then also have the second part, and we will start with the first variation, which is the pop-up. You can easily define where you want the pop-up to be positioned and where you want it to come from. You have some size options, again individually per breakpoint if you like to. Same for spaces inside and outside. You can define whether and how you'd like to have the close button. You can also have no close button at all. And then you have various design options, for example, colors for text, background, close button, and even for the backdrop, which is the page in the background of your Popover, you can change colors, stuff like that. You can work with border radius, shadows. You can define the size of the close button, and also for the backdrop, you can work with different effects. So much for the pop-up. You can place it inline anywhere on your page or also in the header wherever you want. Same goes for off-canvas and overlays. Let's just have a look at the front end to see the difference. Here we have the overlay variant. Overlay already indicates that it lays above the content, while the off-canvas variation moves the content to the side. Options are more or less the same. The only difference is the positioning here. We just say left, top, bottom, right, wherever. And same for the off-canvas variation. By the way, you can always close or hide the animation here. And the last variation we have is the Popover. Oh, something happened to the design here, never mind. We have the drop-down variation. Options are the same. The only difference is that you have a small triangle. You can't see it right now, but there's a small triangle where the pop-up opens. And you can define size and color. So much to the settings. The rest is the same. As to what you put inside your pop-up, or inside your drop-down, or inside your off-canvas and burger menus, is completely flexible. You can put any content you like in your pop-up, say Popover, and you can work just as usual with any plug there is. For more videos and information, please visit our help center.